Lulu loves noises. It's a lovely bright morning and Lulu is just waking up. Yawning. There's a noise outside her window. Tweet, tweet, tweet. What could it be? That's right, birds in the tree. Lulu sits at the table to eat her breakfast. Her food makes a crunch, crunch noise. Yummy! Then woof, 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 woof. Who's that in the garden? Can you open the door? It's Betty. Dog. Betty is hungry too. Lulu's mommy says that can play outside today. Hooray! They play with Lulu's ball. Boing, 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 boing. And then, which toy should Lulu play with next? Here's a clue. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Lulu loves her tricycle. Soon it's bath time. Lulu has fun splashing in the water. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Quack, 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 quack. Where's that noise coming from? It's Mr. Duck, Lulu's favorite bath time toy. When Lulu is ready for bed, her mommy gives her a good night kiss. Mwah! Say good night. And in no time at all, whoosh! Lulu is sleeping. Good night, Lulu. Good night. The end of the story.